After finishing this, we'll move on to the next topic, students. But before that, you need to know two terms here. The very first one is irrigation. Irrigation, in general terms or in simple language, we can say it is nothing but watering of the crops. As we already know, plants require water, sufficient amount of water for their growth. So if we are supplying that water, that process in simple terms we are calling as watering the crops. The proper term will be irrigation. Next is weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants. See, when we are growing a crop, right, sometimes what happens, due to some reason, some other plants will be grown along with it, right? So those plants are not needed there, because they will use all the nutrition that has to be used by those crops. Hence they are considered as unwanted. They are not of any use there, right? So these are the two terms that you must know. Depending upon this, let's move on to our next topic, that is different agricultural practices for the crop production. See here, what is there in this one? As we have discussed already, we need to grow crops, right? So growing such a large quantity of plants in a particular area in a healthy manner is not an easy task, right? So it needs some kind of preparations, some kind of work, some kind of simple methods or ways have to be followed, so that whatever the crops that you are growing there should be healthy, should be fruitful for you. Whatever the investment that you are doing, you must get a good profit out of that one, right? So for that purpose, some steps are there. How to grow those plants, how to nourish them, how to take care of those plants, and that have been explained here in a proper order. Let's see what is that. And one more thing, students, whatever I am explaining in this video, you need to note down that one in your science notebook, fair science notebook, right? So put the heading as I have put. You can use a black pen also. Here I am using only blue pen. You can use black pen for putting the heading, and the remaining things you can note down by blue pen, right? So these are the steps that are involved in the agricultural practices. What are those? See, there are a total of 7 steps. First one is preparation of soil. Preparation of soil, you might get a point in your mind that preparing the soil means we are adding something, and in the lab or in the field we are making artificial soil. No, it's not that one. Preparation of soil here refers to making the soil ready for crop production. Here it is done by using plow, tilling. All these are the different processes wherein we dig into the soil, we make it absorb air, we make it get in contact with the air, so that different biological processes can start in the soil. So in this manner, preparation of soil is done. Next, sowing. Sowing means putting the seed into the soil. It's obvious that without putting a seed, you will not be able to get a plant there, right? So after preparing the soil, that means somewhat digging will be done, then you have to put the seed there. Next, adding manure and fertilizers. Depending upon the nature of the soil, availability of the nutrients in that soil, we will add manure and fertilizers. These are the different kinds of compounds that we are using in order to support the growth of the plant. If anything is missing in the soil, nutrition, nutrients or minerals, any other kind of thing is missing, then we add these compounds, these substances, so that they can help in the proper growth of the plant. Next, irrigation. As I have told you already, nothing but watering. See, you are in 8th standard, you might have someday you might have planted a sapling, right? A plant you might have grown in your garden or in a pot in your home, right? You need to put water to that one. You need to give time to help that plant get nourishment, and that is done by putting watering it every day, keeping it in sunlight, right? So in case of irrigation, in this step we put sufficient amount of water to those plants. Next we have protecting from weeds. Just as I have mentioned, weeds are nothing but unwanted plants, right? So these unwanted plants will take the nutrition, right? These things, the nutrition, the water, the minerals, all these things they will use up. Due to that, the crop that we are growing there will not be able to get sufficient amount of nutrition, and that will hinder, that will affect the growth of the crop there. To avoid that one, we need to remove these unwanted plants, nothing but weeds. Next is harvesting. After doing all these things, giving it time, allowing the sunlight, water, supplying nutrients, you will have a large area filled with plants or crops, you can say, right? So which is now ready to be cut down, so that you can collect the whatever the crops that you have grown, fruits, vegetables, or any other kind of cereals that you have grown, you can collect it from that one. And finally we have the last step here, storage. Here in case of storage, what are we doing is, whatever the crops that we have collected from here, right, since it's a large quantity, you cannot use it up at once, and that's how we need to store it. Wheat, jawar, different kinds of fruits and vegetables, whatever that you are collecting by doing all these by performing all these steps, whatever the crop you have collected, you need to store it as well, so that in future you can use it, or after some time you can make use of that one, right? So these are the steps that are involved in the agricultural practices. If you want to grow a crop, these are the steps that you need to follow, right? So put the heading students, put the heading, note down these 7 points. In our next video we will discuss each and every step in detail. What are the different methods that we follow to prepare the soil, how sowing should be done, what are the different methods of irrigation, to which crops what kind of manure and fertilizers should be used. All these things will be discussed in detail, right? So till then, go through these videos, whatever the points are there in this, note it down. If you are unable to understand the things, just watch the videos again and again. Try from your side, then you'll be able to understand. Okay, that's all for today.